What you doing now, Dave?
I'm going to put a standard tongue hitch on my Freedom Hauler. The Freedom Hauler has 2 points of where it hitches to the back of the RV, which makes it an extension of the RV. But I also want to use it as a regular flatbed trailer, something I can pull behind my Suburban. So I'm putting a tongue on it, a standard trailer tongue.
We're Dave and Karen from Watts on Wheels, and we sold our sticks and bricks to RV full-time now that we are retired. We travel with our heavy-duty truck Leroy, our 2 K&N motorcycles, our 𝗍𝗟𝗏𝗍𝗟𝗏, and our smart car Zippy. Don't forget to subscribe and click on that bell to be notified when we post a new video. Well, we just disconnected the tote Freedom Hauler from the back of the RV. RVH Lifestyles put these on for us. Dave built and welded and put on this, what we called the Watts Wiggler, so that the tote can go this way as well as that way. Now he's going to attach it to the Suburban because he needs it to haul metal, and so he had to build a new hitch for that. You need a pin.
I have to go get a pin.
You have to show us what you built here.
It's a hitch. A tongue. There it goes up. Oh, I didn't need one because I got that. That's right.
Get the old pin.
This one goes through it all.
You built that Blue Boy holder that
It's called the Blue Boy.
kind of works both ways then, for the Blue Boy and for the hitch.
Kind of does, doesn't it?
Yeah.
There we go.
Okay.
How about that, huh?
Interesting. What you doing, Dave?
Locking the steering.
You're locking the steering?
Yeah.
You need to do that because you don't have the 2-point attachment now?
That's right. So I got to find someone to move the wheel for me. Let's see, I got to go this way.
Do you want me to push it somehow?
Nah, I'll try to get it. Right about there.
It just moved again. You all right there?
I don't know yet.
Oh.
Looks like it.
How do you lock it?
With a nut and bolt. There's a hole that lines up, and you put a bolt through the hole. There we go.
Is it bad to have your wheels be able to turn when you only have the one hitch in the middle?
Yeah, because if you didn't, all of a sudden the trailer could just take off dog tracking somewhere. You know, be way out here.
Be out here looking at it from the side window?
Yeah. It's a good, easy way to watch your load, but people next to you may not like it.
So he's actually going to trust me to tell him direction. Could do it on the fifth wheel, but I don't know about this. Let's see. Slow down. 10 feet. A little to the driver. Straight. Little to the passenger. Okay. Come on back. Slowly. 3 feet. 2 feet. And stop for a second because I think I got to crank this up a little bit. Come on back a little to the passenger. Good. I mean, you can move it some on your own, right? Yeah, you're 3 inches away.
I want to get closer to 3.
Well, come on back. I gotta lift it again. Hang on. All right, passenger 3 inches. There. Whoa. Forward 2. Stop. I'm not too good at lining you up here.
Yeah.
Close enough.
You think?
Yeah. Boy, I built that hitch long enough, didn't I?
Yes, you did. There you go, piece of cake. You gonna put safety chains on this later?
Yeah.
You got power for the tote lights too, right?
I should.
Okay.
If it'll reach it.
And then, ooh, good question.
Dum, 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 dum.
Oh crap, it doesn't reach. What about underneath?
Oh, it doesn't matter. I wouldn't be able to make it turn.
No, you wouldn't.
No.
Now what?
I ain't worried about it.
They don't have very far to go.
No.
Now they can see your back of your Suburban.
Yeah.
And then, are you gonna strap the 𝗬𝗟𝗏𝗧𝗦 up so that that doesn't bend on you?
Yep.
How many miles you got on that 2005 Suburban?
Almost 250,000.
250,000, huh? Very good. Thanks for watching. If you liked the video, please give us a thumbs up. We'd love to hear from you in the comments below, even if it's just to say hi. Don't forget to subscribe.